Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at your home. My dear students, in the previous video, we have discussed our lesson 2, Peter Enters the Garden. And there we have completed our revision of lesson 2. And at the end of the previous video, I have given you the homework. Your homework was answer these questions with reference to the context. Your questions are shown on your screen on page number 18. You can see your first question. Your father had an accident there. He was put in a pie by Mrs. McGregor. So here your questions are, question A is, who said these words and to whom? Second, B question, who is Mrs. McGregor? Question C, what do you think was the accident that their father had? Now we are going to solve the answers of these questions. We are going to revise these questions again in this video. Now my dear students, here is your answer of previous questions which I have given you as homework in the previous video when we were going through the revision. Now here your question 1, your father had an accident there. He was put in a pie by Mrs. McGregor. Your answer 1 is your question, who said these words and to whom? Your answer is Mrs. Rabbit said these words to her children. Who were her children? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. They were their children. Now here you can see your question B, who is Mrs. McGregor? Who is Mrs. McGregor? Here your answer is Mrs. McGregor was the wife of Mr. McGregor. It's easy and simple that Mrs. McGregor was the wife of Mr. McGregor. If the questions were that your father had an accident there, yes. Now your question is, who said these words to whom? So your answer A is Mrs. Rabbit said these words to her children, Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail and Peter. Okay. Now second, who is Mrs. McGregor? Here Mrs. McGregor was the wife of Mr. McGregor. Now come to the next question, question C. Your question C is, what do you think was the accident that their father had? What do you think was the accident that their father had? Now your answer is, the accident that their father had was that he was caught and cooked by Mrs. McGregor in a pie. Okay. Your question was, what do you think was the accident that their father had? Your answer is, the accident that their father had was that he was cooked and he was caught and cooked by Mrs. McGregor in a pie. Okay. Now the next question with reference to the context here. Peter, here question 2, Peter got down very quietly off the wheelbarrow and started running as fast as he could. Okay. Now here my dear students, why did Peter get onto the wheelbarrow? क्यों पीटर व्हील बैरो पर चढ़ गया था? ओके, हियर व्हाई डिड पीटर गेट ऑन टू द व्हील बैरो? नाउ योर आंसर इज Peter got on the wheelbarrow to hide from Mr. McGregor. पीटर wheelbarrow पे इसलिए चढ़ गया था ताकि वो मिस्टर मैकग्रिगर से खुद को छिपा ले. ओके, पीटर got on the wheelbarrow to hide from Mr. McGregor. Now question B. Question B is what did he see from the top of the wheelbarrow? What did he see from the top of the wheelbarrow? यहाँ पे पीटर के लिए कहा गया है कि पीटर ने व्हील बैरो के ऊपर से क्या देखा? Here your answer is from the top of the wheelbarrow he saw Mr. McGregor hoeing onion. From the top of the wheelbarrow के ऊपर से, सबसे ऊपर से वह यह देखा कि मिस्टर मैकग्रिगर अनियन को निकाल रहे हैं. या from the top of the wheelbarrow he saw Mr. McGregor hoeing onions. Okay. Now come to the next question. Your question C is why did Peter start running as fast as he could? Now your answer is as soon as Peter found that he is safe, he started running as fast as he could. जैसे ही पीटर को यह महसूस हुआ कि वह सुरक्षित है, तभी वो तेजी से भागने लगा. जितनी तेजी से वो भाग सकता था, भागना शुरू कर दिया था. Now this was all about your revision of your previous homework that I have given you in the previous video. Now we are going to revise our answer these questions of lesson 2 Peter enters the garden. Here your question 1 is why did Mrs. Rabbit tell her 4 children not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden? Why? क्यों मिसेस रैबिट अपने चारों बच्चों से यह कही कि आपको मिस्टर मैकग्रिगर के गार्डन में नहीं जाना है. Now why did Mrs. Rabbit tell her 4 children not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden? My dear students, your answer 1 is Mrs. Rabbit told her 4 children not to go to the Mr. McGregor's garden as there was danger. मिसेस रैबिट अपने चारों बच्चों से यह कह के गई कि आप मिस्टर मैकग्रिगर के गार्डन में नहीं जाना है. क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ पे खतरा है, डेंजर है. ओके, मिसेस रैबिट टोल्ड हर 4 चिल्ड्रन not to go to the Mr. McGregor's garden as there was danger. Okay, I hope you all are understood. Now your question 2 is where did Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail go? What did they do there? Where, कहाँ फ्लॉप्सी मॉप्सी कॉटनटेल गए थे और वह क्या करने गए थे? What did they do there? Okay. Where did Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail go? What did they do there? क्यों गए थे? किस लिए गए थे? क्या करने गए थे? So your answer is Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail went down the lane. Where? Went down the lane for what? to gather blackberries. To gather blackberries. Blackberries को इकट्ठा करने गए थे. कहाँ पे गए थे? Went down the lane. Okay. Now your question 3. Why did Peter not go with his sibling? This is very very important question here. Why? क्यों? Peter अपने siblings means भाई बहन के साथ क्यों नहीं गया था? Why did Peter not go with his sibling? Why? Now here your answer is Peter did not go with his siblings. Why? क्यों नहीं गया था? Because he was very naughty. वो बहुत ही शरारती था, इसलिए वो अपने भाई बहन के साथ नहीं गया. Peter did not go with his siblings because he was very naughty. Now come to the next question. Your question 4 is, why did Mr. McGregor call Peter a thief? क्यों Mr. McGregor Peter को चोर बुलाए? क्यों बुलाए थे? Why did Mr. McGregor call Peter a thief? So my dear student, your answer is McGregor called Peter a thief as he means Peter entered his garden without permission. मैग्रिगर पीटर को इसलिए चोर बुलाए थे क्योंकि पीटर गार्डन में विदाउट परमिशन, मिस्टर मैग्रिगर के परमिशन के बगैर ही गार्डन में घुस गया था, इसलिए मिस्टर मैग्रिगर ने पीटर को थीफ बुलाया. मिस्टर मैग्रिगर हियर मैग्रिगर कॉल्ड पीटर अ थीफ as he entered his garden, Mr. McGregor's garden without permission. That's why Mr. McGregor called Peter a thief. इसीलिए मैग्रिगर ने पीटर को thief means चोर बुलाया. Now in this video, my dear students, we have completed our revision of answer these questions. Question number 1. Why did Mrs. Rabbit tell 4 children not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden? Second, where did Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail go? What did they do there? Question 3. Why did Peter not go with his siblings? Question 4. Why did Mr. McGregor call Peter a thief? Why did Mr. McGregor call Peter a thief? My dear students, in the video we have discussed 4 questions. We have revised 4 questions of lesson 2, Peter enters the garden. I hope you all have understood this chapter again in the revision portion. Now it's time for your homework. Your homework is question number 5. What did Mr. McGregor do when he saw Peter near the cucumber frame? This is your homework. Now question 6. Who went up to Peter when he got caught in the net? Why did they do? Who went up to Peter when he got caught in net? What did they do? Now question number 7. Where did Peter hide in the tool shed? कहाँ पे पीटर ने खुद को छिपा लिया था? Question 8. Who did Peter ask from direction to the gate? Who did Peter ask for direction to the gate? Peter ने गेट का डायरेक्शन किससे पूछा था? Okay. Now my dear students, your question number 5, 6 and 7. These 3 questions are your homework. I hope you all will do your homework at your home. Now I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much. God bless you.